Hey there everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to fix Discord update failed Windows 10 or Windows 11. So let's get started. First of all, as you can see, this problem update failed retrying in 30 seconds or 24 seconds, 26 seconds. If you are facing this problem in your PC, first what you need to check is your internet connection. Alright, if you have the internet access, then follow my steps, what I'm going to show you right now. First of all, just close this. Okay, after that you need to open up the task manager. You can also search the task manager from here. You need to search it real quick. After searching the task manager, you need to just search for Discord like this, and then from here you need to expand it. Okay, like that, expand it. Then from here select one of these and right click on it. Then from here you need to go to the details, tap on the go to details option, and from here again right click on it and select the set priority. Okay, then set priority to high, just make it high right now and change priority. So that's how you can make it. Then what you need to do, you need to go to again the process from here, then the Discord, and right click and end task, and it will end task right over now. So after doing all of that process, you need to press Windows key plus R, then search for app data, write it app data, then press on OK. After that you need to go to the roaming section right over here and then find out the Discord, and then from here you need to delete the cache file. Okay, so here you can see only cache, then code cache, you need to delete this as well, and then down cache, delete this one, this one, this one as well, GPU cache, delete this, and no cache at all, and finally the blob storage, you need to delete this as well. All right, after that close this window, again Windows plus R, then you need to write it down, this, and then click on OK. Then from here again search for Discord. Here you can see, here's the Discord, just go on it, and from here you will see then update option. Okay, so here is the update file, what you need to rename. So right click on it, and from here you will see rename option. So you need to rename it as update.old, old, update.old, and hit enter. After that you need to close all of your windows, then so you need to restart your PC and then again open up the Discord, and you will be good to go. All right guys, so thank you so much guys for watching this video. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and comment on the video that it works, and it will help lots of other people facing the same problem as well. So thank you so much guys for watching. Have a great day.